Accidental deletion, iOS errors, or device failure can cause iPhone data loss. If you don't want to use iTunes to back up or restore because it's slow or overwrites data, don't worry. In this video, we'll show you 2 easy ways to back up and restore your iPhone without iTunes. Method 1. Back up and restore iPhone without iTunes via iCloud. How to back up iPhone without iTunes using iCloud. Turn on your iPhone and link to a stable Wi-Fi network. From your iPhone screen, choose Settings, your name, iCloud, options one after another. Turn on iCloud Backup and tap Backup Now. Wait for the process to finish. To view backups, go to Settings, your name, iCloud, Manage Storage. Method 2. Back up and restore iPhone without iTunes via Assistant for iOS. Don't want to use iTunes or iCloud? Try Mobican Assistant for iOS, a quick and safe way to back up and restore your iPhone. Step 1. Run the installed software on your computer and use a USB cable to connect your iPhone to the computer. Once connected successfully, the software will automatically detect and recognize your iPhone. Once done, you will see the following interface. Step 2. Click on Super Toolkit tab from the top menu to enter the next window. You will see here is an iTunes Backup and Restore option displayed, with which you can back up iPhone data to iTunes and restore data from iTunes to your iPhone. Step 3. Choose Backup from the top menu and all manageable iOS devices will be displayed. Select your iPhone and choose the option of Backup File S to default iTunes backup location. Step 4. At last, you can tap on OK to start backing up your iPhone data to iTunes. How to restore iPhone from backup without iTunes using Assistant for iOS. Step 1. Open the program and connect your iPhone. Step 2. Go to Super Toolkit, iTunes Backup, and Restore. Step 3. Select a backup and click OK to restore. To back up photos, click Photos on the left, select what you need, and hit Export. Choose a location, and the backup starts. Here are some simple ways to back up and restore your iPhone. Feel free to share your experiences or questions in the comments. See you next time.